here?
25 head.
Huh?
This is the point view deck.
Open.
Hello.
Nagtabon, sunset and nature. Oops. Bukid. It's here in the bukid. Ah, it's here. Ne? It's here. What do you want to know? Tanya aso. Hello, doggy. Anong beach ito, sir?
Ayun po yung Nagtabon Beach. And this is the view deck. The
Huh?
sunset view deck. Yeah.
The sunset view deck.
View deck.
View deck.
View deck. View. Like the high.
View deck. Nice ah. Ang ganda. Kadang. Lah. Nag-fog. Ang ganda dito, guys. West Philippine Sea of Palawan. Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Ang nice dito, Ginoo ko. Grabe pagka-overlooking. Wow. Ito pala, wow. Wow, guys. Overlooking kaayo. Napakaganda. Ano, may maliit na island. Oh. Malayo-layo na. Ang ganda dito. Super overlooking talaga. Oh. The best ang Palawan bukid, pero may mga beaches din. Ang ganda. Grabe. I love you tuna. Ay, ang init. Anong in-order ni Tamulmul? I want banana. Baligya. Binta? Binta yan? No. Aw, hindi pala. Ang ganda dito
Sabay may kanila.
Naya ako.
You do. Give my camera.
Where is it? Yeah. She is friendly. You are friendly, baby plan.
Oh, I have.
What school are you in now? Are you schooling?
Yeah.
What grade are you in now?
Grade 1.
Where my
Okay.
phone?
I don't know. Did you bring?
Oh.